mission be manono na amwano. And to what I will say is this is a topic, it's very important because it does affect a lot of people. So we are going to be looking at it. Because some people have come to me and I've told them, look, the evidence is not strong enough, so forget it. Sometimes people don't understand, people don't get it because the requirement, is quite tough. And therefore, if you are unable to satisfy the requirement, and now say your chances of succeeding are very less. Not just say, so it's for this reason that some people have come to me and I've told them, you know what, forget it. Because this is not for you. It's not going to work for you. All the same, let's say, because some people will be able to satisfy the requirement and therefore they should be able to bring their children to join them, even though they may have 2.5 years visa. Okay. Now, if you have joined us, like I said, do the best that you can. Share it for us so that your friends, family members, and so on and so forth can also benefit from the program. We are going to play this tune, and whilst the tune is playing, maybe we can use this opportunity to share the program to all our loved ones. So please share the program for us as soon as you join us, because I know it's going to be a bit tricky for people to get the program today. But we will do the best that we can to bring you the best from Fire Life Radio, Justice and Law Solicitors. So please, share the program for us whilst we play this song. Our heart and also our thoughts go to all those people who have lost their loved ones, people who are doing their funerals today. King David, on behalf of Fire Life Radio, you stay strong and you do what you got to do. So by all means, share the program for us once we play this tune, and as soon as the song finishes, we will start the program. Also, we will be looking at naturalization, the changes in the character test. As we all know, some time ago, it's been the policy for over, I would say, for over 6-7 years, where if you have overstayed your visa in the past 10 years, you do an application, the application will be subjected to automatic refusal. The policy has changed, the law has changed, now that is no longer the case. So today we will also be talking about the character test, the new definition, or the changes in the law. We will also be looking at third parties, i.e. contractors that the Home Office have contracted to do some of their work for them. It's important that we talk about this today. Contractors that the Home Office have contracted to do some of their work. Because sometimes people don't understand. People come to you and they think that you can just, wave the magic wand and, something will just happen just like that. So it's also important that we explain it to people so that people will understand it. Today, because of everything that's happening, we will not be able to take phone calls, but by all means, if you have any question, you can type it and I'll be able to answer it, read it, and then we take it forward for you. So let's just play this tune. We come back, we will continue the program. Thank you for tuning in. Share the program for us so that, we will get to where we need to get to.
Yes, I'm Brian seeing anything, Nemo, any answer.
I miss a chick as a baby will be a church on out of
place. I said, I just say it, I'm a very inspired. I started here, Nana. Baby, I will be a church. Open to me, I fed the medium. Open to me, I fed the medium. Anyway, yeah, I'm if I've been waiting, open to me. Different as I'm Professor, I'm a Sasia, and so I could continue. Yes. Different as I'm Professor, I'm a Sasia, and so I could go now my own wine. Debbie, I mean, Bessiano, a couple of metal, any number of my bravo. And I made the Cassam say, and I'm a that dream. That's my and I'm a man and no or not a baby. And she ain't a pattern for
share the program for us. I'll see you join us. Good morning to you, Mr. Alexander Opposite. Hey, British accent. Good morning to you. Boss lady. Good morning to you. Share the program for us. Atia Donko. Your church and now the pay. I'm cracking one. Will be around. Yes, church. They are dark. Sending us out this house. And some work to maintain. Share the program for us. I see that she join us.
If you say, I want to say, you want to me when you say, or Conobas.
Emmanuel money. Yes, I can relate to this song. Mami Kato was your donko. Pentecost fire. Oh, Jack them. Fire Life Radio. Lancho. Oh. Having an offering the professor. Was to see a church.
If you say, if you are not mammy. It is a Afghanistan, that's what we are. No, I can't. The Cobana Sanswa, now I took some any of the serious one. akwasie mia obedi emia wo wiase
Macheche obre
ye wonti akwasisi wakramo
Mami jede everything
ene
oboyi ba nana yiba Italia and Prince Beach. What's your show over? I don't think I'm going to be sad. Your friend of Quanta Bissent, what if I give you so yes. Every old Jano, I bet you for me and some better. You're the castle of one, your tosses were more. Your touch me as I say, I want this one previous city. Who were fan of crew, Bishia, or wait, rich. And Miss me, Sana, it's here. Oh, open to me. Yefa program no emremo lawyer dakon anase sebe yese anobamba anase akokoba onya asanko besa enso so aboa akroma enti osa enyeyi osomafo David osafo Mensa yema wo hyeden ene dua yi ana oye omame eyi Lawyer Darkon, anka ye me pa, anka ne, kameneo, ananka ebisi o mami. Enso so bibinti, ana amayenti me physically, ama me jaw. Na me say spiritually dear, ye wo ho a ye tawe chipa. Enti sa nyumi fashishe wo re. Saso na yima, o mami susu efree no. Yema yako, yema shedding at this difficult time. Mami Janet was also demri feduye. Nyakopon ema baby entina. Penifo se etienti yeso soa yinyai eche soa. Na enipa ubeye yia ifrifie. Saso na wa mobra ifrifie. Na obisoso enim obrempon ensha ase yetin kwan mu die a enipa hia mo isoso die na chese memory de biara sa hode wo ho nko ade a wo se yetimi ba na omsoso a omwo ehaw mu yetimi eboa omo Inti adamase ese memory de biara soso mu hyaye aboframa yi so ana se ententen yi so na yetimi de emramu nsem ebrem sankenya mo a ankenya de ankebetimi aba every Saturday. Inti go Facebook and also go to Fire Life Radio and subscribe to the channel no because afina agrani so beyede ana se afina ententen no eso beyede. Because Fire Life Radio, the aim is say educational programs, and non kwana ye de bre amount for. Said ye ya ye bitimi a pound, especially yenya ye wo acquaint you. A business saying a business sebe so bimpe epese osisi wo Ghana. Na ope o come for bi amane diwenim. Aya na emre pi no. Se obi ti wono ope wasisi wa na otegana manmu a ne dia ne se wo abrochira uni emra o ba betwe manso na ohwe Ghana civil procedure rules ni ma sebe se uni Ghana mpo a obetimi appoint obi by the way of power of attorney a enipa ne begina gwanan mu atwe manso no amount because enkwase abuo de eya enti no ayana the notion, the idea. Someone will say the fallacy. I am for the show one you say kai what you brochire into yen twini what you make take it and make man son. Sunny meaning a twam a thing of the past. So if you so see soon up a sort of woman so lawyer darko oba may drafted power of attorney now. Now will be a GDD with your shedding sem. And then a man son on shena a chetai. Because ayana yetititi in Sinibia a bufu. Obit me sini fiewi na ohene fofraba o se asase no enyame na meton ma wo enti kukuru fie ni firi asase ne so na megema asase na yete oman mu na obit me dia nyambra semse na ye hwe no because ye kura anase oman a ayo unfortunate ne kura any oman ni mu enti therefore no tambia no obi ebu no obi aye wild na de enwanwa ne se kwesiara ne akosi asori dem adena sada no omfa na wunya wo body dan se u deceive your brother men and your sister men ese uye Christian ana se uye religious person na ushisuma se disabone we nyina sebe enye le adakọ be kasi nyame ntua wo ka wo ana se nipa na wo de ye no ana be kasi nyame ntua wo ka wo eye automatic ye fe bibi kama se nipa nimpo ebie na no eka se me da so masi aye mi se ya eye curse na curse no so no wan hwe yi ebenya wo na sa benya wasefo no akoto ebia asem bi abre wasefo enti no omo guga no mu disabori no mo hwe ni because ensem bi ba yanim se benya kopon so amaye contacta yetimi afaso a ye boy enipa bebre obi wo 3 days no ni di obeba menim lo adako mitimi na 3 days ni mabetre kromu 15 years adwuma ma ye nyina amabraba mabo nyina akwa akwache dan ni na obi tiwo osikukuru dan free asase ne so how adia what asase a register asase no at the lands commission na yetikuru nemra nya adwuma Chinese need to be free China but no krum eye de wope na ye hwe ni din otimi twitu no shoot o mani na ye hwe ni din ba o ye Ghana ni a wawu cruise ye san fa buo ma okoka so a yesi buoi but about time I was say abrochirefo must take his stand mama ntina ho e ma ye nsise mo because be catch you say plane ticket abetwa akotwe manso nti ehu nia ene oba Ghana Civil Procedure Rules CI 47 obetini ama obi power of attorney pe obi na ni edin because Ghana yekura wani nye din a yetwifa wo so Ghana yekura wanye sharper wanye streetwise obi besisi etu pobia na ni edin a wo ye sharp we streetwise we sharp we smart no appointing no as your attorney obaso so alo yada ko metina say a draft power of attorney na ma kama na afi no ode ko na ode akotwo manso na de ese we ye bia no ese we aya na krofo se manso de enye wana ka kire o manso de se bibi no so especially so di be ma ana se uwa case a enti sa no shi na de bi krofo de to madwenim manso nye o abrochare metwe manso masa twe manso o vi se Yesu ono bonsa mo twe manso uvisa obonsam oni nyame ntwe manso se ka manso ni wa anka hell and heaven susu ni wo enti manso de start wo heaven wo na nya de su betwada until say we are say as long as two people have two different visions there's always going to be competing interest and I said there's always going to be manso enti no abrochire for de me wo ka kire mo no say o America o Canada baby a wo bia so we person sisi wa kopelo ye bi na undrafted power of attorney ma the fakisa manso no who case in kwade abewe ni na the beauty about civil litigation they say o wi ni wo case ya de obeluse no obetua wo cost amount eno na obi dia do betu manim na nsen ya o ya wi ni case no afi na the other side ka che ne say ye ntwimra fi ma we de ye nka ne boko adam say hey men twimra fi ne ntwimra fi akina ade de wo start ya e wo se wo wi Eti me de my encourage nipa ne say on twe manso ne twe tan until say you know sebe we wie ni case no ama ya man cost order ne the cost order ne so mawa masa me hu nipa ne mbobo enforce it make sure say a nipa no so ajapade bia me fa enforcement to so ne enforce no man nton na on fentua woka because at the end of the day yes say kraman say on kawa on finish enye die enchero enti very very important I say the beje sadie natum na so people so take you on a menjeja ho take the person on pa odie ontina o ma yensisi biem ayam crofo say manson eye pa 7 girls eish David obi o ka cho say manson ye bi oboa manson de ye enti ebiase so di asempa ana wo ye de obi e can be ma enti media ne se di asempa na mbom member obi nsisiu me no bi ka sembi ese ashtam abrabo so no bi kuntoka na oboa you have to revenge idi ami besie you have to retaliate enti ukone na se nipa ne boa ade chi abesa akobiem oboa obesa akobiem until so abuni bi enye santoka na so ntwa. That is the Ashton mindset. That's the Ashton mentality. Dabekobiri, yes. Oreku, one and a champion. And when we were growing up, these are the people that we used to look up to. Obana sa wano kuna sa obuni na. Menka sento kwa nisu weka ho. Because adia beche, no jina wupuna no. Emran tokwa na ye kuma ye no ye nwie. Enti ese eto aso. Oni ne beku, obesa abuni biem. Adia beche obesa aba wan to kwane befo no obebo ne 10 obeba 10 until say ono so abu obi enti ade ko focus manson nya manson e ya de papa aya na e depende sabio umpe asisie na so ipe so asisi wa ene atwe ho manson ya dako obasa de betu yanim na fi so bu case a ye betufo se unya mwa bi ope lawyers bi organa so a ye be make recommendations about say ope power of attorney here be draft bi ama ne po bi o ye sharp bi o ye smart no mfa ntwe o manson ema because esem ne ba yanim na airtime oh de bi om de hyenkrofo otiri oh manson akwa ana case ko Ghana court ene ne etu ahyeda ekina ne etu ahyeda ana say ne de bu abem enti wo sweat aba be sweat nyina no na sebe obi di asisi na odi afa ana ne kura so eni omani munti obi koma sebe obi eso ka ne kura 1p bia na odi nsem na sese de mehu se Ghana judicial system no mu peja omu enti no yemo ye homodin anie se office yesisi ukra na media ne wowoyi social media buboni penidi na tackle no na manfo raise a defend say what do you call it and raise awareness of what is happening. Say ebe begema ne kren bededi because enkofo ye sisi o mana so gofo sisi o no e too much. So obi asinifie wako land registry a register assassin na obi aba wasme na me new king enya na ta assassin ma o old king ne ton ma o enu nti no kukuru wudan efri masase so assembly ye kan he assembly a he pan ye kan assembly ade land registry a register assassin and then what is the point of the land registry? So land registry cannot guarantee the ownership of a lander. Now you're quite nice as a country. Yenina I say kasem. I was here sorry. And yema air course within our community saying I say kasetia. Yan fan the cre and to baby and the cre eda na ubia enyana sumbi. Yanko the topic lesson. Na ene naturalization way mona ekomamo na ensisaya kakra abem mo fa cheme kasa de dua bia na ketrema no struggle because I join the second brofo na anone so ketwi tibo se eba na confusion kakra abem enti no ba shaka ye be koyenim enti no what it is listen naturalization changes kakra ayedien aba since 28th of June 2022, and this has only been published by the Home Office in their guidelines to case workers when they are making decisions for naturalization. So for that, I had to wait until it was actually incorporated into their guidelines. And untina me babeka ehon asem eneno. Now what it is, they said, the Home Office nationality guidelines on the good character requirement has now been updated in line with the provisions on lawful residence that came into effect on 28th of June 2022. The provisions were introduced into the British Nationality Act of 1981 by Section 9 and Schedule 1 of the Nationality and Borders Act of 2002, and also by Section 12 with additional regards to refugees. When you know edeba semna may try semeka time introduce character testing. I remember sir certain labor anana ewo power, if I'm not mistaken, because I do remember one of the Home Office secretaries or the ministers by the name of Mr. Benham or Benham made a statement to say character testing na omode abano. Say, oh, you're a refugee, it will not apply to you. And as a result, those refugees, because by definition, say, oh, you're a refugee, unko jivis anadi ababi rekrumwa. And ye enkrofo said you almost say almost a fleeing persecution. And as a result, they say it will not apply to them, and the refugee law was also changed. First, oh, you're a refugee, now say ubedi edra. Now you are indefinite straight away. Say jitum say we a refugee ampa. Enti a and a Home Office introduce this new policy whereby if you have accepted, say nipa ni a refugee, you have 5 years. Enti say 5 years now so it meet na for 5 years it ya. Now say 5 years na so no koji indefinite. I was say it man in onya British citizenship. That was the case, which was a good thing for a lot of people. However, so being a refugee, now after a 10-year character test was applicable to those people. And as a result, and before people have contacted me over the years where I have advised them, say, they have to wait for 10 years before they can apply for their British citizenship. Ebani saying and Ebani saying. Ebani sa in the sense is say, Osha character test now, Home Office no policy ni say. Say oye application for British citizenship one. Na say sabi. Why your application? Na say abia within the 10 years of the date of application, you know. Na wa overstay o visa. And now say sabi. Uni visa. Ode enkwanche bi na ba ye anaso wo criminal record bi na se un spend sa criminal record na emrane se eni se ye de yen eni se ye de ma enti na confusion kakra abem, because which Home Office guidelines na so na esa kase say if you were known to the UK border agency and now say UKVI within the 10-year period, you know. Na se omo kasa be report na se o report ana se omo ankasa be report na se still no da so system nim, but they were aware of your presence. Those people so no na omo so no they were, you know, the character test they were disregarded, i.e. the fact that they have overstayed their visas. It's an argument that we have used successfully for a lot of people by way of reconsideration, and we have won their cases for them. when they came to see us after their applications for British citizenships were rejected. And now, because of that confusion, now some people thought to say, once you have completed your 5 years, automatically you can apply for your British citizenship. Emma, if you more dear, fortunate or unfortunately, Home Office refuse you on the basis of character test. Now, say said, as I change you, and it's about justice and law solicitors, and as a lawyer dark, so what me baby, as a catcher will say, train for 10 years before you can apply. Emrana change beam, and yamim na me yamrano. Dear Emrani Tiano, and no more advice, and answer and no more a foot and a tembiano yedema. And he said 1 year ago, so frame me, and answer unipe be frame. And I'm catching and say, on chain Emma 10 years in bra. And now a year 1st of October, Mano sasisa, and yes, I mean a me change mano, because Emrana change, and he said Emrana change the not just a lawyer dark, justice and law solicitors. I was an advisor, and I said a futura with the massa oniano, and I said nipano. I was a change. And some may say to Manu too. I can say, so when the 5 years in po, Nasa ubetina your application, and yes, I mean a me change mano. Now, embom, embrena assessor, emreso se san, now so ye dear, now so as a son ubi. Advice I did mass and time ago, no, sir, advice so from an airquay, a baby changing. Etienne assume yen ye, a beboye. Now, omo enimono, almost so entie, so o qualifier, and near can or money nine and money to, now unto and among, now omra justice and law, now, yes, she should be piama the kama, now in fact assume ye, and yet ye, emreno, and in the fee. Enti dear Abba, and I said dear Abano, anything. Emrana Abba said, breaches of the lawful residence requirement include illegal entry to the United Kingdom, overstaying, and absconding. And it is a breach immigration rules, whilst our United Kingdom that include illegal entry. Ebia offense ase ne ba ye enti oye ensuo ba. Anase ofa ewiemu ne ba ye because oye anoma ba. Anase sebe or the keteke ana eba ye because oye osono ba dia. And that means say no akwanya bi aba. Na akwanya na aba no yenti ye pa me ba be broso bako. Enti no lawful residence requirement no near the refusal and crofo under character test no. Say nipa no a breaking lawful residence no by being an illegal entrant. And answer by being an overstayer. And answer absconding. And ye na akonya idea aba aman. Seka se obi ye illegal entrant any say. Ebia onyakro eba no wamfa kwampa so ne bae. Ebia onyakro eba no oye entuhyemu ana ode ba oma ohima krom anase ohini krom sisi anase onyakro ne eba no ofafom anase ofa afikyire ana ebewura ekrom ano anase onyakro eba mpo ode ensrahwe ana baaye ode ensrahwe baaye no wan abrokyire asem ose tafranya asa ankobesa ama asase akasa enso so no na eye akoko entira ebia bibi nti ode visa ne ba ye wa ba be overstay ama ese visa na wu otwere ni hwe boku enye yie otwere ni hwe nifa so a enye yie akonto mu nsem ye kan ba ye kan de onim eno so enti ama sese no aye o how eda enipa yi so obabia say obabia overstay ne visa ebia over stay ye ana sebe ebia okoshia Mr. Boama ana Mr. Boama aya British ni nti ofa fro ana owoye ana koje bas 250 bas 250 ana so they say them no say my partners 85-year route ana ejanyankopon aye na dom say okita your friend is saying indefinite after completion of 5 years. A body sana nanka laws na ne wo honomo before 28th of June no. Actually say esam ko twa 10 years and send away the wetimi apply for British citizenship because at the date of the application, you know, they will go back 10 years to see whether you have breached immigration rules, whether you have absconded, or whether you were living in the UK illegal. Because of sanity, no, not just say safo no, na omo intimi enye and apply for British citizenship. But say there from 28th of June 2022. And the news they say mususu betimi apply bi and ebe yire say yebeko yebesai aba and ebe yire papa network yeah the program never bro and you know what it is listen. So what mean indefinite? This is what the rule says. So unya indefinite ne na say 5 years within that time nimu unya abscondoi unya illegal and now say breaching immigration rules you can now apply for British citizenship. It's my mean sense mubim where a atadwe a good news for a lot of people. Yeah, for instance, see no opese oye application for British citizenship. Oba krom wanamo ebia 2016 as an example. Oba ye no fofie antoata. Ode ensahwe ne bae. Ode ensahwe ne bae no Bibinti ebia went me anko back. Yajiatum. The 2016 ni ma ana ubeshia kwabena nkwantabusa because ogina nkwanta enti na obusa. Ana obeye wo lie. Ana otwema kwabena nkwantabusa. Otwema kwabena nkwantabusa yi. Ana ofa efuro 2017 ana owoye na be hu lawyer dark justice and law solicitors and I say okay fair enough odi ensahwe ebaye no enti okoya application bia by definition of the rules say refuse na emom under human rights se kwabra nkwantabisa eye British ni okita British passport oni na woni de by operation of the law oba baby nkwantabisa eso eye British ni enti ebane sana ubetimi age British passport ama baby nkwantabisa sese baby nkwantabisa so baba ye British ni o mame a wo hwe no ono so oni enkrata enti oni enkrata no ede na obetimi aye de ede na ono so betimi aye enti oni enkrata no do betimi aye ne se ne ba no oye British ni obetimi agina ne so e de ape enkrata ni bi enti emu ha no ba ya da kon justice and law solicitors ese mini enkrata me ba ya British ni bua me na minya enkrata ya da kon se enye dem e de na ono so betimi aye de abo enti e ba ni sa no ya da kon atoto niema ama sese no oso wanya nkrata ni bi oso wanya nkrata ni bi ento so nya nkrata ni bi no na chese yamao 10-year route la da consider bi 10-year route na kwa ne wa obebo kadodo enu nti no yen switch into 5-year route enti 2017 na mu ana adako switch to 5-year route amount. Says here 5-year route no 2022 aba wakwakoji we indefinite. And it is a what you indefinite now with this new rules no. Any application submitted after 28th of June 2022, you don't have to wait to complete 10 years lawful stay. New rules actually say as long as you have indefinite and you can prove as within the last 5 years, you were or you are lawfully resident in the United Kingdom. You have not breached the immigration rules and you have not absconded. And you qualify to apply for British citizenship. I hope and believe we say we are very, very clear. And I hope we say acquaint them. And I say aya akwenya ama yemia numpi. Say aya akwenya na say acquaint them make a comment. Na kache me say edem oja dem na me hu say yate ase. Say yente ase na me sensi so bi. Because I am a very important. As a you, the listeners, you are the messengers. Because a mutia mutimi ade, mutimi chirichi, muye, echamonam for any babusian for. Emma almost so tia Emma omoche omofon. Efrelo ya darko and opa ewia enumre. Emma yesosono, yeshemo enmunyam, eye edwuma, Emma amanfo, Emma omo eni ade aging. And it is a quite dem mama yama where as a quite dem se quite name na se man bibi so sia as man tia se here na why there wa comment nya sa ko back na yetimi actually chiremu ye na chese amanfo etimi atiase entina very very important as a ebete ase na se mo pass message no ona na yemia no mo so etimi idea atiase very very important. Because education is like money, it's infinity, it never ends. Until if you are city, we all learn. Muhammad El Amin, I say please repeat again. Okay, Mame Ensensi I try to give examples as an analogy. Not just say entiasi no aye edwuma eji. Dear Ewani said, a kromwa na emrebi wo ho. As before say obabeye ekromu hani a obeje ekromu a passport and I say ekromu a enkrata no na ewo say one se wabumra ne so ewo kromu ada a ye fe ni immigration rules no da by overstaying, by absconding, or perhaps by illegal entry na chese ubenya indefinite krana na emrane say who apply for British citizenship you be refused unless you say you can prove say what in a kromwa lawfully nature say overstay your visa gane free immigration for the same because obi o wa litimi che no na ye yi no na aka che me say every week bia no on fa ne ho mekere on be report. Now report to you so sometimes no kwa fofi antwata ebia wo mebie enti obi wo a ehunti yakase be report ni ejan na wo se ehene ne ha ene unhu ni biem na chief futuro kura unhu no na chese wo de ne ho aka edwa na chese wo dwane enti ebia wo dwane no oni nemu a no aba benya nkrata ebia obenya nkrata ne so a eye indefinite na obenya ebia wo nya indefinite na o kwa kope ekromu ankrata so a omumra ne say before say ye be ma ekromu citizenship no e was here 10 years back and yamfa ne say ye 2022 Mohammed when you indefinite ebia 2 years ago and after 5 years ago unya indefinite no before so babenya indefinite no na uye illegal ewo kromu anamo emra na ewo ni say the fact is within the last 10 years part of it na wuti kromu illegal ninti say o babeji kromu enkrata na say opi kromu citizenship enisi edema but say ni there instead of 10 years no ebeye 5 years and he say yemfa ni say Mohammed when you indefinite 2 years ago say new law ne say Say, oh, kwa application for British citizenship. They only have to look at the last 5 years. And when you're indefinite 2 years ago, no, oh, per 3 years, also. And when you're 3 years, also, you can then apply for British citizenship. And under the new rules, you know, under the new policy, you know, and it's a train for 10 years. And it's sanity. And it's say, in the time, what the British citizenship, you know, and we're so at it. And this is where people have to be very careful. A new law, and I can tell you, say, don't be surprised, say, Home Office for Crown, some of them may still not know this new law. And to all rational one can your application here, the over near, don't come and blame lawyer Darko. Because, say, oh, yes, application we are. One, I was say, oh, chill case where can I say there has been changes. As a union to was in our church, now analyze it. A case where can I say, they say na etie enunti no e wo se ode mame because se one pelo ye bi amana ni wanim lawyer atwetan enkrata mu kinkon enkrata mu ahenie ye na ye son enkrata mu ye kontokwa ema Home Office for efa omokete edwane e ka se dia ma because entokwa no e wo si etwa so asa wa brantie am so ntokwa ma mintwem obumi na obesa bu mechira until 17 leka Una bubri kwaku don siro oluma sakora yeba na yeba yenim kon yenim dwane se o de breye na se so wasem ye wini ya ye njai na emre pinko for dia ba amako back by way of reconsideration ye yi ne 1-1 ema Home Office oni dwane kalo etinu men ko yes have mistake no bra na ye nyama no so no one touch because naturalization fees no over £1,000, £1,300 you refuse you don't get your money back. And to know you're lucky, I need £80. If you say citizenship test, citizenship ceremony that costs you £80. And you know, 1,330 I take £80 for free. I think you £80 no at the balance amount. They can they assume. It's your best shremo, more qualify. Men yes are mistaken no enko rush say wa wo betra computer ni makoshishe bibia na emre pi no hwe question bia Home Office bebu se bia no there is a reason attached to that question so when you to was na ko rush na eja okoye minim kojo minim na afi no ekwati wani so a wan hwe wa so be yeshi na emre pi no amkasa asem wi aso hye ne ba anekrofo ebusa omuloya fo ase menko enko fasa pressure no emeto so na so be friend adako na wa nyame a na afi adane entokwa ene eye very say intwa na afi utwa enti be hwere mo mentwen ema ohaw ne mansa why enti no ententem na no beginning na no na obo homoden na wetimi idea etu anamo pa na yetimi ede eye fede yetimi de eye enema na bro enti no citizenship no in short no the woman say Home Office yes say obi ba be application for British citizenship na say onya krokita indefinite go back 5 years don't go back 10 years when you are considering whether the person has absconded, whether the person is an illegal or was an illegal, or whether the person has breached the immigration rules. So it only applies to these 3 conditions. Any other requirement in it remains the same. Typical example, Ebiana ubi a criminal record. So a criminal record, for example, your amount fine of maybe £100, any community sentence, and not the Rehabilitation of the Offenders Act of 1974 as amended will still apply. So your amount fine, and run say, and what's a day, and what's a chain until say you have spent certain time limit. And when it's a fine, 3 years. So 3 years a chama, and not the FBB say it is deemed to be spent under the Rehabilitation of the Offenders Act of 1974. It's Yemfanti Kimuyi. Men Kasari Adako say the artist about 5 years into be a to apply. Me pacho and yes, I'm American. Now, those who can apply are those who have overstayed, those who have absconded, and those who entered the UK illegally. enti mesremu pi yemfa sa three conditions yi ento yensem ana say yemfa nto yetirim because me minim say yetiefo se mote ase a ema madwuma yemre because you are the ambassadors of justice and law solicitors metimoso anama sorry tina de bia meka say hwe ewiase se obi be ye ohene a na efini nko a because uni enkoa ene oman ma obi ansomo ene ti na yesese yakopon ansi uhene na se wankasa usu hene a unya obia emanye nsomo enti yen hye sopa enti no eja kwabena ofori ansu osisese de eye very clear enti I hope say yati asiye yi because moti asiya na me de program way is not anything but is to educate because and send me be na say eba manima sometimes no aya na makoma aya na intimi because sometimes you get like you are full of rage the injustice any mistakes aya na enkrofo this week no wana man bi be hu me na ewi asena na meka no wo ho amadwimpamre wetiri na ye papa man bi be hu me we de eyemboguo meka atwam meka dia inspire mu nyina to encourage you as a regardless if we are so hard ebia wano asema wo beka it can make someone not only that someone and it will then trickle down to a lot of people probably by my office now I can send me to be honest na me kai me refikra na me an application amano na ye na enkomodiem ana se lawyer okay adam di hu anam si dabi o se me kai se me shia o e wo Ghana shop bi mu efe ni nyame be kire a e wo Brixton nyame be kire for ye chia wo o se me shia wo no na ma ye application bi akwakoto home office ama home office abebusa questions bebrebe madwinye mi hey na enipa na odi manim ema me ya application no service mi ameka se me kwa ko hu lawyer onipa ne se ehene ha dabi menkoto sika ngu menko trace bia ma lawyer bia ma ne nkoye sa de we na mi ametinya ya ama adenti na we so okwa ko hu lawyer ema enipa yi pocket lawyer otina afie keka ne ma bomu ma enipa yi afi ato de na ye busa questions no okobusa enipa si na se me dem nya lawyer me dem ka se me ebo enti adenti na de ba be ha mankene ba bi adure de me nimu enti pa fa ko hu lawyer ti papa yi ejina nyame be kire shop mu ana emese odidi nkomo ana se nyame be kire ka se oh lawyer bra ko net sen ana papa hu se me ye lawyer ana kese ho na odi asenyi to manim enti okam ansema na home office wo busa no ana nka che ne se ehu hia se oba be hu me because a very simple solution better solution natural free of charge yes I dey win na wan ka say email ma wo se still o pese me na email ma o ma wa no office wa ha obetini aba mepo a me in charge papa yi koi ekoye die me ka kire na o se o two sana mon within 2 days after the nkrata yin ha bre no from that day ana ne yeri so ni bibi papa yi yen krata asemu anything legal masa yin ti obia no fako papa yi wona onye period sabe ono su ko school o ko school no sika na nipa ne se ye koto agu no on su koto bi gu school no se etimi ka se ya to ska gu sa e de sa na me se meka no ade a wo hwe sika nya so mfa so no so to agu aya sentence me nti ye nuanum biase e de sabe supermarket ye koto aduane kra be di senso ye sika to gu sabe electricity bill a yetua a sabe ye benya kanea e de ahwe ye niema no so so ye sika to gu because you pay money enti se wo kwa kotua sika ama okamani ama wosomojo ama do hwehwa won saka media madwiri hire me mpanya adwiri mu no enye sika to gu eye good investment because one yes ade na ebia ne so be 3 days so ni di ye emramu nsem se e kafewa Allah will bansu and who say yes la ila la rahamadu rasom la ona bo say yes here too sabi empenyim force aboku sie wo hoi onya fufu anko bedi o na emmom wadro no ana enko ni bom when empire free obia epe adie free you see but the reality they say baby wudura e wo se utiska e de ya ade na de asomdwe brew na de empuntu brew no just do it because one yes na kofifa enkwankyire now ya wo kojo nkwantabusa na se wugira nkwanta na se obusebusa emre pi na ma wo kwan ewa ana busafo esoso enyira kwan enti ana very important say ade a woni mu no to hu anamon na bra justice no ne bebusa na epa ekwankyere na yemfa kwan papa so na yenye mrew na emfa asomdwie ensoso enye de emrew enti ne metia ka che yenuan ma ne se yemo ye homodin na yenye de yentumi entu anamopa na entimi emfa yenko yenim enye saatem bia no wokọ wani mienu na wabawachi miensa de bia na wugina faako eba ne saa na abro bi ote ni baabi a odwene ne ho na afọ do frustration ekwa akwhye no afi na de wani bre ekwa akosua eno so te ni baabi sebe obekao umfa dama ana umfa sempoa enkoma enu oyeyi a wo se wa no abo abrabo ana wayeyi na abrabo ni nko yie dia na wotutu ani na de kwa akohye obi abrabo eno ani de wara wobo enti aya yentu anamopa se de ya enko fa sebe problems emre na emre pi me kasa asem wi ewiase o ho aye papa ma dwempa eni wani na de wuye bia so no ebekoso ama se osefo ni mpofa wo adwembone a yakopon na bie kwan ma e ma wutimi emove go forward enti de metimi aka ne eho ado no enti no yate or say you can never buy anything without pay ayasemo obi won ma obese ode ye friend say God bless you to become a currency enti otade na say God bless you na wafani free no oko enti edu baby a aya ye nhye ni bi so because me hu so many cases aba manima sebe enkofa akotie pocket boy ano ama sese na eho a enipa de dem no enye ehaw kuma anase ehaw ketwa enti bese pi yenye very careful na ye enhye enima bi enso anya sa tem bia no e de ehaw ana epebre the tosu bi enu anase main topic ene person we can ho asem na yaka we no I'm halfway through. We take a break. I can not pay in Subiano na afe no. Yetini ayede atwa program beso. Na the tosu 2 eye oma omokita 2.5 years visa. Na sebe so kita 2.5 years the person me kan ho asem and I say the person me busa me say ubetimi akofa oba abana. The answer is yes and the answer is no. Ayana obi wo beka se pa madam fu bia kwa kofa ne baba ade na me de minti ni kofa me bama ayana ni nyina ebegina wuwu nipa no o circumstances you see and sometimes no say ye direct comparison aya enyeyi ade ntira make sa asem because ye wo akura ana ye wo abotokura sebio omudin se enso omohona wonse saasusu na aboa futukuko nini ene aboa koto omo nyina edem futrum enso omo ensere afekuro mu enso to anakoto eni age na aboa futukuko nini ne hwe awo saasusu na awiaboa na futukuko nini eni age na okoto ewe aho enti ewiase no se oye direct comparisons a one hweye obeye so many mistakes. And when we say anybody kita 2.5 years, also kita 2.5 years. Ayana mpesa ubusa uhone se sebe. Enipa no kita 2.5 years so tumi akofa ne ba aba no. Oje aban sika bia na. Aya ye musa yesi ho se. Yesu kita 2.5 years no. Yeje aban sika na anase yeje aban sika. Enipa ne kita 2.5 years no. Misim kita 2.5 years no. Many bema bi anasa mini obabi na eche hwa da na se mini obabi anasa bema bi na eche hwa sa bema no ono so eye adwuma na se obegi 2.5 years na se 2.5 years ni na se me kofa me baba na se nipa na kofa ne baba busa hu se enipa ne wo accommodation na. So these are some of the things that entry clearance officer not ever taking into consideration when they are making decisions. And to be to justice and law, I can't say my to agree any intimate application. None done for a bar, yes, so a be ye application. I feel not any panic catching say any ye in the booth as a daintina. Maybe introduce you Obima or dear. Why ya mano amande me baba. Na mi momwa. Sabe me introduce you nipa mo o kacha me se me die enye yi. Even though ya cheche nipa ni mu say you have to be able to meet the adequate maintenance test a echese akra ne ba ubetimi ahwe no. Ebia me kan oji abansika sabe oji abansika soso a ekromu a echese wan kasa no uhia moa untimi enye de enhwe wo ho. Enu nti na aban atie sim se da bi ma wonye destitute and so ma wonye desperate. Enu enti no miankasa megina mama sika kakra until such time osu betimi agina wona so na waye de osu etimi ahwe wo. Enti aba ne sana so okasa oye direct comparisons sana enye adwuma. Enti requirement no any saying ye hwe requirement no. Requirement in says so kita 2.5 years now say opese of kofa uba eba. It comes under Appendix EC of the immigration rules. Now Appendix EC of the immigration rules no say na eka o se opese okofa uba ba. E wo se uba na okofa number no e so timi meet two main tests. The suitability test and the eligibility test. Say cause a suitability test na any saying may be running it through quickly. Or say esa uye obia anasa abofra no anasa obana person ode ne ba no. E wo say oye obia Secretary of State no and make he order say eni say obekru mu a. Obi wo wa ni suban eye suban boni so much say aban ni mpese obekru mu a. Obeka say how is that possible? Possible in the sense that a criminal animal, the age of criminal responsibility, the age of 10. And he said, Akodabi edi enfie 10 and over, the child can be convicted of criminal offense. And Yamfane said, Sabe, Akredi ebia 12 years obe kromua, mano de sumina so nesremo ba esemedima example. Wakoto mona no ya sentence no ana ebia ye deport no anase we free kromua ko. Ebani sana, such a person, no, the Secretary of State is Becca say, the character is not conducive to public good. As an example, Ebiso akrabia be kromua da, and I say Ebia krabiti kromua, or no dear, or say kronoa no bebo, when Viania Massa, the Bia China, the Bia China, Afe no, or will peer every kromua echo, and the persistent offender, Secretary of State says, any pay or bekromua and work krono. Ye kanesu eni so oba ohini krobu bi e ba de sa so a eno no yetimi ka se eni se obekro mu a enti when it comes to suitability test yetimi disqualify nipa no the tosu bi the date of the application the applicant must not be a subject of deportation order e bia enyo obi a ye deport na free kromu a when him say ye deport obi free kromu so a e wo say enipa ni twa 10 years and say na onipa ni wia what's the application for the deportation order to be removed. And also so ewo ho no. Enti se nipa no se deportation order eda so dan so forget it enye adwuma. Enti eno so no. Number 3, the atosugi. Ewo se enipa no so no oye obi a ya sentence into imprisonment unfinished prison sentence no. Eno so no. The atosugi enipa no ewo se owo good character. The atosugi ese nipa no ye obi a onye eniamon ho ebia ya friend interview na woyi nani anase yakase on provide medical report anase data na woyi nani se onye debi enti na sana etie ana ewo se enye se oye obi a yeso be medical examination na we refuse anase obi a wa provide false information anase obi a wa failing to provide disclosable material in a visa application. And we know a year BBFN suitability test. Now, let's look at the eligibility test. The eligibility test nature say, I was say any panel a year application. Now, say any year application now, I say any panel a year under the age of 18. And this all person will offer Obama so bani over 18, forget it, and year ejuma. They are tossed to. I was say Obama Kokofana Bano, I say, prove say unmarried when you're single, because some countries do on ma udi 16 18 worry 17 worry and he say akrano aye under 18 also prove say unmarried on formal independent family life and he say oye bemo so your bow unmarried ya na say so taking second boxing the third box is say I was say nipa no so no and he say or formal independent family life. Ebia wadi the age of 16 17 making only be maybe titisa aware for ono baby titisa aware for wasai awuba woni nipa ne titisa aware for what form independent family life. You are no longer depending on your parent okita bas 250 otikromu ana opese odewoba no eba ne sa na eno so no you have to make sure say you tick that box and so prove say you are not leading independent life. Your life is dependent on your parents. And the principle of sole responsibility, ebe inside, As a prove say, say pano sebe onuna u depending on so, and that person is your sole parent or sole carer. Say panina a provider now. There's that person has got sole responsibility. Na sa sole responsibility no edin krofonya na emre pino yemianom ye twanya. Yen keep evidence, yen building evidence. After 2 months, I mean, I ye baba na afe na ye di mi ka gidi. They person building evidence. I don't know. A person the home officer or make us say they are all new evidence and therefore they are not reliable. O kakofa baba entida, wakofa saadie no. Any SMP ni akani henya ni they refuse. Eti mesemu pi. So get a 2.5 years. So get a indefinite. So get a British passport. Na kofa ubeso kofa baba. Meant now Emma Tam so and send what shall say build evidence. Shall see CCR na sa evidence so ube hiano me the betuga me go through one by one anyhow it will say usi enyano very very important. And this is so into the infant to equal to him. The tossing one of the parents must be in the UK with limited leave to remain. Or limited leave to enter. And as one of the parents I was say unya your friend is saying limited leave to remain in the UK. And that is how it is. Or have been granted entry clearance as a partner or a parent under Appendix FM of the immigration rules, and the applicant's parent's partner under Appendix FM is also a parent of the applicant, or the applicant's parent has had and continues to have sole responsibility for the child's upbringing, or there are serious and compelling family or other considerations which make the exclusion of the child undesirable, and suitable arrangement have been made for the child's care. And basically, say ultimately take all these boxes and the emrane say ultimately akwakofa obanaba. And it's important say you need to be able to demonstrate say akwano ultimately ahwe. It is a very difficult for you to be able to convince entry class officer say ubetimi ahwe oba no. I don't know how ubetimi yes our argument no. But all the same how it is. To prove so responsibility no very very important. Ayana ehun be here say ubenya abanmu enkrata to prove say eyampasa onkwa na wo hwe akra no. Enti ebia ubetimi aye application to the Ghanaian court. No kwakoji BBF any sole responsibility order through the Ghana court. Enti Ghana court no na say onya sole responsibility order e kyerese Ghana aban agye to me say onkwa na wo hwe oba no. Aya ehun hia pa. De tosu bienu. E wo se akra ni suku awoko. E wo se wutimi nya evidence bi a e kire se wona oye parenter one se bibimpo esi o school mu se omo send akra ne terminal report and now say decision bia about the child's education no. Wo oye parent da ukita 2.5 years no. Wona your contact wona make his decisions no. Enti na very very important. Enti na e was say so unya ho evidence over the time. Enti ben twen e mata me nso ensa na akwakoje letter a free school mu no. Enti ade bibi anasa anamon sa say na e wose wutu. E bia ye fa akra no school no. Normally no you parents you have to be involved. Enti ehun be hia say wo maame no anasa papa na wo kromu ano. Sebe unim dia opesa wo ye in 2 years time, 3 years time, 4 years time, 5 years time inti. Na wo hyase etu anamon ne mentwen emma sebe ensuo nto na wabeka se aboa kokosachi ekira mesi ne dan. Aboa intetia ontwen mansuo nto na kase be kwakopa aduane. In good weather no hyase eye de so anuane ekogu ne bon na sebe enso otona so ntini mpia o hyebon mu na waye de wahwe ne how far na aboa ntetia wo yi oni afuru enso so da so odidi men enti ban twen e mata mo ne nso ansa utu anamo a we medi me free bonto ne mami aboka enti be shepi enti na so pem na se ye ka a kire obi a ya ka na piye nipa no so atu anamon ententem sebe yese o hyase eburu so ntema an wani ekoko enti ben twa mata me nso enti no wo beye dia na ententem wotu sa anamon enti akra ni school sie fana wan kasa any teacher for ne nkasa se school fees se bills bi mpo na yese otwa ma school ni direct na gi hu receipt eto one mo da chance buntia so school ni kasa so a very important. If any documents are almost send you emails through the school's email address, said ya ubenya evidence as you communicate with the school on a regular basis. Every school never make a trip. I was say we try for a trip and I say excursion. And also so the next thing I can say ententema not what you say anamono. And I say we communicate with the school. Oh send this kind of send because the school neso or more accountant to tune. And then abefo any technology adaroma se school yo council mawa international transfer wo de atua na internationally no wo de omontew ye fe ne say commission kakra ene me fe ne sending agencies ebi on ma utimi send kogu enipa na account mu direct ebi ebeto commission kakra bi men kodi commission 10 pounds 15 pounds echi na afa bedru wo evidence wo nya bi yes e wo mu say Sabe obi e pade a efo na mum ade efo bia so ana mpedifo se eda owu afa because when tua kan na be tua kan akina enti no se o de fa the right channel me feel say ebeboa ama na ko the right channel ama wo so no da chi bi open ho evidence a obetime nya the right evidence na with me at the aye application enti school de wana mo bia no so the school need deliver of director keep the evidence said ya da chi asemunti no so pese ukofa ubaba na aka se menkwa na mehwe me ba obi emediwo echilie saso na asori komu se ubane kwa asori na se utu kwampo na ko Ghana try na these organizations no ko ho twa pictures ma omuhu se dia adachi bia na ebeye adansidie na so letimi ede aye wadwuma And he said, sorry, so omoko excursions, omoko places, whatever. Communicate with the church on a regular basis. Let them write to you with a report how your child is doing at the church and everything from time to time. And every 6 months, if you are no unya report from the school, from the church, aya ebuapa. Said the awokwa application now. Said the envelope you post to braille, and I say email and send the braille with me printing in the account to prove say over the time for a substantial period of time when I go to anamo we share a crown. Sasuna hospital, GP, optician, and so on and so forth. Yeah, the court nana would keep the receipts and so on and so forth. So we issue receipt in part or we issue receipt in your name, to show say when I their crown number, name una would bills. So Okakofa Baba, they all share crown, ontimi sharp any bima. I was a sandy panel, a cannon some, dintia, ontimi and share a cranny beam. Sanka ebeja and can make us money again by way of affidavit. On can tam na oni see na omu say yes. Also so no sebe I yes what can so the abia akrane beba nebia bibinti anam amase say no opese ode obane ba no na edipa na akantam edinsie ese eye ampa on legitimate so be hwa akrana ma na ebia edu bibi anase edu baby anase edu stage bia ontimi enhwe akrane bi enti wa be hwe oba se bi ompanifo se obi be hwe oba enti se de wa hwe oba sana eti enti no de metimi aka be say ena so ade a ye fanto yetiri bibi te say itemized calling history dem bia bu say ye nuanoma ba me de WhatsApp na frɛ no WhatsApp eye free ninti you cannot print itemized calling history enti bia we bibia e was a WhatsApp company for no mo be ye mo de beto omanim na omatimi develop the technology so that you can print out telephone calls akebe boa enkrofo pa said the team print it out your friend is saying WhatsApp text messages me sure say omadwene na emma so enti we kra na ye kan wase me kra na madwene ma so sa ebia me nyom contactor ye nyina no ye nchiro komo mo say said the team print text omo fa technology mra na eno so no ye ntimi print telephone conversation enti omo introduce kra na so de print na so be charge £1 kra for printing na me fi say anko so be nya bibia free yes so akebe boa ye pa enti we a new innovation aba ya dako me de aba enti no kra na so ka che WhatsApp for no esem say so ma be share because me na be sa idea naba enti we a copyright hey mo bia emphasize idea we enko WhatsApp for no mo bia contact WhatsApp me I will trace them and find out and contact them tomu jo bia £1 na say ni nyina mo 1p kra wo ma me so no me didi enti me sre mo me de abeto abontin ba mo bia use my idea me a me chro wo mo na ma sort it out enti no me so it is kakra be me innovation we adwene kese ashtown adwene wati sana eti Madam Pisa PC me chia yes Ashtown for life hey edio so for mama Rajua Makati chia bebia obia Jesus mbie nkan enti no oya ne sa aya eboa enti no that is how it is. The tosu biem aso ameka ho asem money transfer eno so yenuanu bi empese on spend this kakra obi bedinti de bi ebese save money obi ko Ghana ene bra kwame me pa chaw me ba eti atonsu agogo person kai discovery ma me discovery ma na wo de akoma mami kwantabisa wona hwe me ba ne mami na chese wo de ahwa akra na mami unse wo discover kwa aya na utua commissioner ana no de kakra nti we de me transfer me doji commission no okay na de kokoma bra kwame se bra kwame yokohwini a okwa no akodiska no onfa nkoma wo ba no na afi adane nsempi se bra kwam ye di papa o diskaneko na afi no dachi bi open evidence cheso diskako ya na adane mu abi nan na mmum anka wo de for official channel money transfer ya charge wa asen ye besre aya me ni sketch too much edu ba bia we need to spend because we the winning dachi the person we dey enti na ya fanfa ba bia benya ho evidence And a crowd money transfer companies not also. Bebre on the send the requirement evidence april. Say I am passes can hold their coma sebe uba to the carer. Some of them cry there every month on the bring, or they will send you your friend is saying statement ubitini abuani na no egu ono that in the ubitini printing intention so calling cars no enye ade a omo da gitum na emom eto de ade a ubitini use, but personally evidence a home office don't respect it intention so old and recent photographs obitini free ha ekọ Ghana ese o kosaniba obeka chere se onkotwa photo obeba obeka chere se wanya time ama ne ba na ntwa photo enso say di pe ya timi etwa video anopatututu na osifufu ho ene abunabunu nkwan ene koto kankan ene emre efom wisa ene su wisa ne mfimfim wisa nyina na wachie ni ti asane nkwan etwa video e de aba to Facebook ovie na busan se oni wo betwa picture wo se wo anya time enso nya time di fufuo onya time twa picture de to Facebook. Where does your priority lies? I don't understand. It's your best friend. So obeti na ko Ghana, show time, show love to the child. Said the abeti aboabo ho anu yi. Na obana be hu no ya da ko. Yetima ye adwuma no amana ye fe. Ama so osumo adwo. Enye so be ba ye ka cho se we wo hin afa no adwalai. O se ya kure busa ne ma dodo. Na se sebi me musa enema ama ye nya ne ma pa am ya nya adwuma pa ama wa na be sa ko gina ba bi etwa me. Enti e be sremo. Say ye ade na ye make sure say ye ni. Say you tu anamo a ye make sure say you tu anamo pa. Say the application a ye na no e de asundwe bebre. Photographs. Old photographs. We need a from time memorial. And also try and keep this evidence. Say ebi wo home pa. Say no ukita camera krana betime say twa sa photo ni photo just in case a photo original ne kwara or digital copy na ene so betime use and I say scan those memories say they are that the episode use so betime use ene so no the atosibim letters any Christmas cards occasional cards ni na so onsa kan keep envelope no because stamp bo actually ene be chere time ye send it Nina so eboa. Emails parties na exchange and also eboa. And I say WhatsApp se mo chat so and also de etimi eboa. Na che se odi ni nyina aka ho preko. Na otimi aye successful application. Enti la dako se oba na se evidence no ensisi so yi na se ka kiro se ko ne kodi uhuni ana se ko bobo ho ano. Na esan ebra enye yeye pe ne se obeba ne be ka cho se ko echi ne sa bra bie ne mbom ne yie mu ntia ne ti be se wo pi se obana se ka sa asem na enye se ya twe pen ana se pe se ye difficult se be sika de hwan ne mpe na le da ko de me se medi sika echi agu me hwani ma se de anka medi ohiamom na ka maye de magini ana se ma maintaining me respect enipa ewo mame sika de eye enkrata eye paper sika so ni mfaso bia na mbom enibonyam ene edinja eso mfaso se sika last week and I said 2 weeks ago and I said 1 week ago ye nyina ohemani wuye ye hwere niema ye hwe na yie se nyina ye hundie sie baby am hwe ye amehwe ye pa ne hu se nipa ye nse hwe pa ni se ohema ewu afi edru time aye kwakosie no no omofre ne committal the committal ceremony no ye nyina ye hundie sie committal ceremony no yehudi esiye committal ceremony no yedi na funeral na say the casket no ebesi ho ema bishop no efa adua ebumu mienu ese sese die ye gya ne kwan ye ne to nkwanta ya pai ye ne ohima na eto nkwanta ya pai ye kwa ye koninya ye ba ye baninya ema ne crown gold diamond na eti shen nyina no ye pejai efri ne casket ne so enema esumbu a enipa esum wasasi so a ye fi se esumbu nyina no ye yini nyina afere de ka che ya ne se ye ring baako ene se brooch bi baako bi ana ye de kwa kosie no ahunya ne mani nyinara a ye ni abre wiase ye pre ye hu gidigidi me mabobra medium ye say sabe ohima kese a wote akonya kese so ofiri ma ye kwa kosie no sabe ede ne disi no ne palaces ne mansions nyina no wowu agya ho no ado na kyese enipa yense hwe eti de meka ne se ewiaso ya ade a ye ade ne the right way. Personally, balance, I'm not convinced of the evidence. Me no be fa ho adwene me kyerɛw sɛ sɛ ɔtwɛn kakra na watwɛn obi wɔsoso a ɔbɛba no na aye too late enti na kyerɛ sɛ ɛsɛ ɛde takashi ɛde kɔsa because the akra de kwa kodi 18 aka 2 days aka 3 months evidence ni na so NCC so some of the evidence may be questionable. About the son, what do you do? It becomes a matter of a lottery. Tevesremo, so why have you said that you do Babeba? Men can ever that you never to whom an amount is here. Se opeso be whom ya darkon, now we a country, now to two an amona, any brandy be whom men can say baby I would say a crown. And two do call baby, ne home bar semo dear. Wababa ya dako eba ne sa na be frame a besusu mi mfio because so be trace ka se menye medwum na adwuma mana no sebe me metena ho ema me soso manu aduane me bomi because UK die o ba bia na so ani abre na wo pe obi a fi so betini aboa wa you go to that person. The law allows you to submit an application and it's a very important exercise in civilization so enti enasoso die ye beka na eho no de meka ho asem biem changes to right to work ene day and a new changes taking place now ye nim say home office for introduce a fine of £20,000 say obi adwuma illegally na se chira eno say nti no ama say employers so no ma ye wild. As they say, you know, they are doing checks. Now checks, you know, we a free bone to advise. Say your more card in be say a new card in be a more blue than red na. You can do your own checks and you can actually create your own share code. Ubetimi diama your employer to do what? To check your right to work. And you know how does it work? Machopi. Mama me sema ba kwa na mienu na me mpe website no na me mfa embo ha no na mo ampesa mo ye mo de no mo ankasa betimi aye a home office website straight away. You don't need your lawyer, you don't need anyone, you can do it yourself. Se unim computer mu kakra bi kwan dia se unim mpa di onim no obetimi aye de ama se nipa no idea abuaw ewo sa kwane so. Okay, mami be 1 minute bi na is playing a bit stubborn, right? Okay, so employment status. Okay. Make a website now. I want to mommy few minutes be na minya bright website in amount. Se minya mama me so drop wa me be ma phone calls e minya na so ati. Enti na said you me boa so na me boa me and so me ho. Very important. Enti na mama employ the right website na me fa mama na fe no. Say new card in Libya, it matters not. Say seven. It matters not. I say visa no see a grantee no under immigration law and I say European law. It matters not. Say unya sa website here and access our link here. With me edi employment check. And see menya link no me de aboho ama osisi ya. Enti no yen go through na me twem CDC ye no. Se unya link na se o click here. Edo be call home office website and it will ask you, tell us about your immigration status. Since I issue with biometric residency card and as a residency permit, you know, we selected and no. Now I press it continue. I press it continue. A people will say, do you have a biometric residency card or residency permit? Or say yes. Or take care, now press it continue. And to press it continue now, a people say, what is your biometric residency card or permit number? Now, that number, no, or show a card now. And what the right hand side, right at the corner. And the other normally, no, it started with 2 letters, now numbers are twice, so now just say, a number, no. And the a few numbers started with RS. As an example, 245875. Now I continue. And the 9 characters, and you know, Oba, na say fa. The way I see the characters in song. I say 9. And you know, my born 9 here. My born 9 is here. The next one is what is your date of birth? Date of birth, if I say 2nd of February. Somalia for date maybe. 2nd of February. No, I catch you say 1982. Now I bought Eddie Asoso was continue. O cancer no a beji or record no and I say your status about the screen so. A banisana no I click continue. We say a create share code. The share code no a code be a big generate amount. Now what the amount employer. No the amount employer now or no one kasa everything I call home office website I check it na Eddie Asumdwe ID April. It makes them be say no, you don't need your lawyer to create a share code. It's what work hard in BBR and no one say we follow these simple steps. Now with the enya share code. Now with Indiama employer now also so wasum ayede ajo. Now lawyer no so asum ajo no. Now with me akọ forward na with me aboa oma so omo ehia emwa. Enti yedamase. Now ene 2 questions am be say bibusa and say na ebia ye bie line na to phone no a play up kakra enti line no de me a experiment na me say ya adwuma we will take phone calls anya adwuma ye de adwuma na be ba na wie because device we use no a different device ama me struggle kakra but necessarily na at all cost SMD program labor because encrofo frame during the course of the week and now as one number be can na e say encrofo de no more tata me and na me dia bremu nei enti woso anu abi na on so enye binti nya bi hwe because we bring you the legal gospel from justice and law solicitors. And you know, 2 questions Adam Babekam one seven. Obi friend me this week, Ebusa say, Obi de neka £500. Only according to say Obi tuya or ye any da home bonnie. A kwambe no bit in faso enye ni sika back. Na me see nipa say, a chroma de so video car, the only place. Se nipa na kasa amfa ne pe entry our car, just ordinary court. Now, ordinary court is so don't ubetua court fees. And say na sabe se unya judgment against a nipa na. Yes, a nipa ne credit be say. Na judgment na se still ni nipa ne peso ubetua. Just also application for enforcement. Ubewie no one hwe na e ka bebo no e more than a campo nipa ne de. Number 2, se nipa ne mpo eba court no ka che court say oniska ebia every month obetumi atua 20 pounds. E ka wode na enti year no say na no atua 1 year after na no atua say 20 pounds times 14 after na no atua be 140 pounds. Enti ode ka 500. After 3 years and send with me atua kanawi na wase iska no. And you need to decide, say, is it worth it? I know it's up to you. Now, media mechanism could be be careful. Because any penny about Bossy and Ivy, next can you go dinner wa? Ye can be said, Major, no mini 1 and a more day. Mini be more day, pa. So when just cannot court now, the call, or best say you seeker. And tell you, Penny Bob Bossy and Nasa Wakum and one getting movies any panel, or be difficult, and I say, won't you? And the catcher is we need it. Because o catcher is we need be or because we tell more than a siwa. Because all the money now went to another quarter, or Besaka see with more than. And tis with more than now, or Becca a behawano, and winty odi a humo brothers can a command. And we yeno, stone, or Besaka suit more than. I know Echino, Usika Sako Shimaka home. And therefore, what is the point? Enti ekromwa 77 say won trust say edipande usika bema. If you have any doubt catch edipande say we need it's as simple as that. Maybe your future meet media man no. Because enkrofo di oje usika deliberate pa ompeso bitua. How was enkrofo no mani enwu asem no anemo. 77 year lawyers so can be the enkrofo be obeba why any case amano case na ba ometua 77 na so kakra oso benya de atua be ose no onfamre edu ha na dane ma eni ensem de yati bi obi kreti bi ba etimi ka cho se ni kunu maami ewu enti se do oniska enti osre ye fa nkrata ne ma no na 77 okoye adwuma wa betua mi wo asoso nkrata ne demo ye adwuma enti obeyusu ni kunu maami a ewu as an emotional blackmail too to get into your head and your heart for you to feel sorry for him. Now I know the many we are now than stories. I feel no. What the man no? What the man said ya omodi mbone meboa. Now onyade ni wie so so a ompeso obetua. Enti no odi ne kokod na ko send recorder edibone na no besa abo. Eso be ya we di ntimo odi on say ni. Enti therefore di money na usro dia ene de bi ebu kwasia. Enti we eye futu ma manfo so obi no obi nam no obo ne bosia no adiska no okoka so osimi bi. Sanse mo ine ba yanim. Enti medie afutu ma media mo ane say se udiska ma obi na se wantua na se be hawa ene ka chen se woni bi. Obeka cho se utrimo odin. O de man so a still no at some point no obesa ka cho se utrimo odin. And if you have any doubt at what you do can be amanenka. Because my quiet and obi awon shishi no obi no na sumu jono. Enti ja odi kwako yo obi bi no what sacrifice ana de amani pa no. Obi obesa ko kya bi so yi pa bonini. Sanu na usro dia anytime bia no we be do sika we be bu kwase ya. Obeji sika na di oyi onsanka sa ho ka ho ona mo besa ase yo. Anoma besa sen ana eye akromafe. Enti no eye yanka sa yemfenti ye hofo. The tosibiem am the program be wie activity lines no. Eye personal injury. This week so obi be home about ne bar or drive bicycle. Na say ochi bicycle okwakunya car enkonhia. We are sorry to hear this. Na bicycle so uchi I am very careful. I am men gini say enipa ne hu ana say enipa no ebe behave reasonably. Wan hwe yi obi de car bebo na akofa ensin bebre abrel. Nti I am very careful pa. Na emremu ni kire say obi cause wo injury na say enye wo fault you can sue the person for personal injury. It's not a decision I individuals now a bit taking. Obi also saw so mempra into the mutual so vijay amanaka. But Obi or obey personal injury. Obi sue the other party. A banisana obi tinaka insurance company. I say were you involved in an accident, damage, SCBA, upper compensation. Lawyer Darko, we don't do personal injury, and therefore we don't do those type of cases anymore. And to be personal injury lawyers now or my idea, or to anamo idea, ama na dear Kakras will be to be enya. Now also what's me idea enya. Tien take a quick commercial break na ye ba na ye be line na to me take one of 2 phone calls be. Na ilikumedie no idea aba lewi
Medafo uyamanka wawo ogana obi awogana eso enam no kra asanti no hu senya wo be mani sika se yesiesie wachi ma eti na ye ne Paradise City ye did this beautiful ultramodern city Abatema Community 25 who standard executive semi-executive quality buildings ye ne Paradise City ye wo homa esanse ye di abrochre abagana ntino ye payment terms no so ada phone boko who penny self finance and as a mortgage Paradise City your telephone numbers so UK +447 908 475 802 Paradise City ye juma pa magana ye fe ankasa
For how any say and a woosun, Justice and Law Solicitor said, Bomadiana Brand and Yomedi home como, Umbema a futu, Nasa idea so to one more, Umbe no to one more. Immigration and answer nationality problems. Say yes, student application, family and dependent application. So pass it now, Kroma, and now lawyer Bino Jina one name or court amount, personal injury claims. Say employment, landlord and tenant issue or housing issue, family and divorce issues, drafting legal document, will writing, renting and leasing shop, lease extension. Obina juicy canon persuade man. And you near Kawakuma to him now how you know to a trap. Bomodian any justice and law solicitors for Nkasa. 075 3896 9589. And I say 0207 738 5841. Bomodiana Fred Justice and Law Solicitors. Na ye kwanya ye be faso ye be boa. Obelum ewo Unit 35B Eurolinked Business Center, 49 Efra Road, Brixton, SW21BZ. Like I said, we have Victoria Line to Brixton. Bus 2 3 37 415 432 689 and 690. Siwa St. Andrew's Church Pastor. Seba Emra Samudia baby here any Justice and Law Solicitors.
Amway a company kesiye omode niyama pa abedwa so omoniyama ni be a health product, beauty product and a home care product. Omo health product ni be a vitamins and as a food supplement. Beauty products ni be enso omo wo enku and as a mona ebema wo honam atoso already atoso se no omo home care products ni be samana edi huhuru kukuo mu ni ayedi twitwi adwaye en emu de ehde wo pe bia no ubetimi enya bi ewo amwe se upe emu nsamatie ana se upe bia to a yesrese fre owura Emmanuel Eson ewo 075 076 30487 075 076 30487 and also say abelfo amansan tentan kɛseɛ no so wobɛhunu wɔn akyiri apan ɛwɔ www.amway.co.uk/user/emish na ofre owura Emmanuel Eshon anaso so sɛ wotuns ansa ɛkɔ amansan tentan kɛseɛ no so wɔ mo website no so a ɔmo ne wobɛdi nkita ho fɛfɛɛfɛ ɛno na owura Emmanuel Eshon bɛka kyerɛ sɛ ɛndeɛ na ɔnaanyen Amway.
Okay. Say no, you do time I was say it's me ebie amatrofo ne too. Na yehwe sibiti nya some phone calls any bi so text say or more questions about your fairness saying so comment section on and yeah until yenyenesa na yetimi take some phone calls say there ye be matro for nothing they did adwuma no
na this one why
ye did adwuma no 07538969589 also ubetimi afre ye twa phone calls no mehwe comment section no na emianom domodi abaso no ye ready na etinya ansamo